Good morning, students. Today is March 11th. We'll continue with Chapter 7. And before we start looking at our homework from yesterday, I'll show you a video that talks about polygons.
Stop, Moby! Didn't you see the sign? It's hard to miss. It's a bright red octagon. An octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides. What is a polygon? A polygon is a shape with at least 3 straight sides that connect. Polygons are closed shapes, which means the sides connect together. The sides of these shapes do not connect, so they are not polygons. The sides of a polygon are always straight and not curved, so these aren't polygons either. We name polygons by the number of sides they have. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. A vertex is the point where the sides come together. A triangle has 3 vertices. I can think of polygons with more sides. What are some polygons with 4 sides? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Right, Moby. A square is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides that are equal or the same size. A square has 4 vertices. A rectangle is also a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices, just like a square. But a rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides. Rhombuses, parallelograms, and trapezoids are all quadrilaterals. There are a lot of other shapes besides quadrilaterals. What are some shapes that have more than 4 sides? A pentagon is a polygon that has 5 sides and 5 vertices. The Pentagon is also the name of a government building in Washington, D.C. You can see why. Moby, can you think of something else that's a pentagon? Right. Some safety signs are pentagons. A hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Bees create nests by building honeycombs, which have 6 sides. The hexagons fit nicely next to each other, so bees can really pack them in. Can you think of something that's a hexagon? Right. On this soccer ball, the white patches are hexagons. Oh, and the black patches are pentagons. You're not supposed to play with that indoors. Moving on. A heptagon is a polygon that has 7 sides and 7 vertices. Can you think of something that's a heptagon? Cool. Some countries like the United Kingdom, Jamaica, Mexico, and Uganda have heptagon-shaped coins. An octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides and 8 vertices. A stop sign is an octagon. Some of the tiles on our kitchen floor are octagons too. A nonagon is a polygon that has 9 sides and 9 vertices. I can't think of anything that has 9 sides. Can you, Moby? Whoa, check it out. This glass is a nonagon. I bet you can't find something that has 87 sides. That's called an octacontaheptagon.
So let's go for the homework from yesterday, and be sure you do the corrections if you have done any problems incorrectly, and make sure you cross off the wrong answers, and then work on the side step by steps to show the workings, and make sure you understand what you have done incorrectly. So the homework from yesterday will be workbook page 9 to 10. Test 1. Question number 1, part A. This is pretty straightforward, and remember that because we don't have any beats on the hundreds place, so we do not need the comma. So simply 5,083. And the bottom part of page 9, question number 2, we are asked to find the smallest 4-digit even number with 6 bits. So as I said yesterday, we do need to put at least 1 bit on the thousands place to make it a 4-digit number. And since we are asked to find the smallest 4-digit even number, so we'll put as many bits as we can on the units place, and then we'll put 4 bits here to make it an even number. So we still have 1 bit left, and we'll put it on the tens place. And I've talked about these two, so it should be pretty straightforward. And number 4, because we are asked to find the largest 4-digit number, so we'll put 3, which is the largest number among all this on the thousands place. And the answer is 3,220. So for the top part of page 10, these 3 questions, they're pretty straightforward. And yesterday I talked about question 8 and question number 9. Kevin saves $453. Kevin 453, and he saves $165 more than Tim. So that means Tim has 165 fewer. And we want to find out the total amount of dollars that they save in total. So we need to add up 453 plus this expression here, 453 minus 165. That means in total they save $741. For the bottom part of page 10, these 3 questions, you just have to work out the answers by doing the calculations in order to find the correct answer. So please turn to page 48 of your textbook, part B of chapter 7. So last time we learned about using a ruler to draw 4 different kinds of quadrilaterals: a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, and a trapezium. And for part B, you guys will be taught to draw quadrilaterals on pin boards and on squared paper. So page 49, question number 1. Draw the quadrilaterals required on the squared paper below. So for part A, you have to draw a square. So please pause the video, and I'll show you the answer in 2 seconds. So try to draw a square on the squared paper on your own first. So this is for reference only. You can draw the square in another way as long as you have 4 sizes of equal length. And remember from chapter 5, you also need to have 4 right angles for a square. And part B, you're asked to draw a rectangle. So once again, please pause the video and draw a rectangle on the squared paper below, and I'll show you the answer in 2 seconds. So once again, you can draw another type of rectangle. It can be bigger than this one, and it can be smaller than this one as well. So as long as you have 2 pairs, so first pair and also a second pair of equal opposite sizes,